Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, welcome to Standard 2 video of English. So, children, let's see today what we are going to study. So, today we are going to summarize, once again, we are going to summarize this poem that is Swinging by Lucy Clifford. The poet name is Lucy Clifford. So, let's see, students. We have already recited this poem earlier also. We have discussed this poem earlier also. Now we are going to summarize it once again. I will summarize it for you all. So the speaker is a very small child in this poem, swinging from a swing. She was enjoying her ride. She tells us about what she can see from her swing. She was very excited and she was expressing her feeling through this poem that is swinging. As it goes up and down, the swing, as it goes up and down, high and low, she sees tops of the houses. She was able to see the top of or the houses in the town, the horizon, the trees moving in the wind. The trees were moving very nicely in the wind, to and fro. The movement of the tree was to and fro as it becomes darker outside when the sun was not there, and it was I think evening time it was, and what she was watching, she can see the lights that have been turned on in the houses in the town. She keeps swinging up and down, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. She was very happy while riding swing. She was feeling very nice. Okay, students, so this was the idea, this was the summary of the poem Swinging. So let's see what we are going to do. Today we are going to do understanding the poem, that is answer these questions. Okay, students, so you have to answer some questions given here. So let's start, and you have to write it down very nicely in your notebook also. So question number 1 is, what is the poem about? The poem Swinging is about what? So what is the poem about? Number 8, you have to choose a correct option. The speaker swinging high and fast. No. What the speaker can see while swinging. No. You are able to see in this poem that a word is used so many times, that is swing, swing, swing through the drowsy afternoon. Swing, 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 up I go to meet the moon. Swing, 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 I can see as I go high far along the crimson sky. So you are able to see here that swing is a word which is repeated in this poem again and again. So why this word is repeating again? Why this word is repeating in this poem again and again? What is the reason? So this poem is all about the movement that the swing makes. That is fast and slow, high and low. So as she goes up, she comes down. She was able to see the beauty of the nature, beauty of the town as well. So what is the poem about? The poem is about the movement that the swing makes. So here the correct option will be option number C, the movement that the swing makes, students. Okay. Let's see question number 2. How does the speaker meet the moon? And in this poem, I'm repeating the line, up I go to meet the moon, up I go to meet the moon. Swing, 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 up I go to meet the moon. Now, here the question is, how does the speaker meet the moon? So, the speaker meets the moon when she swings up. When she swings up, she was able to meet the moon. That means she was feeling that she was very close to the moon. So the speaker meets the moon when she swings up. How does the speaker meet the moon? The speaker meets the moon when she swings up. Okay, students. Number 3. Here you can see in this question, students, so many questions are there. In one question, so many questions, small questions are there. So we have to read it carefully and we have to answer all the questions nicely. So what time of the day is in the poem? Does it change in the second part of the poem? How can you tell? Pick sentences from the poem. So the answer is, in the poem, the time is of afternoon and evening. Okay, students? Yes, it changes in the second part of the poem. How can I say? Okay, so I can say this with the help of the sentences from the poem itself, which are as follows. Through the drowsy afternoon. In this line, we are talking about afternoon, and you can see in next second part of the poem, it was written. I'll repeat the line for you all. Swing, swing, swing. See, the sun is gone away. So the second line is, see, the sun is gone away. That means it's evening time, students. So in the poem, the time is of afternoon and evening. Yes, it changes in the second part of the poem. I can say this with the help of the sentences from the poem, which are as follows. Through the drowsy afternoon, see, the sun is gone away. So this was your answer, students. Okay. This is question number 4. The poplars waving to and fro. Are the poplars actually waving? Why do you think they are moving this way? Yes, students, in this poem, it is written that swing, swing, swing. I am repeating the line for you all. Swing, swing, swing. I can see as I go, as up I go, the poplars waving to and fro. Yes, the poplars waving to and fro. Are the poplars actually waving? Yes, the poplars are actually waving. But why do you think they are moving this way? So, the reason is they are moving this way because of the wind. They are moving to and fro because of the wind. So, students, again, I am repeating the question and answer. The poplars waving to and fro. First of all, you have to write the sentence in your notebook. Then you have to write question. That is, are the poplars actually waving? Why do you think they are moving this way? So, in this way, you have to write it down in your notebook. Then your answer is yes, the poplars are actually waving. So, this sentence, this line is for question 1. And why do you think they are moving this way? They are moving this way because of the wind. So in this way, you have to write your answers in your notebook. I hope that question answers are clear to all of you, and this poem is also clear. So thank you, students, for watching this video. May this video help you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.